Did you know that poor software optimization can lead to a staggering $1 million loss for your business? Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Chaurasia. I am the CTO of Plutonic Services Private Limited. Imagine you are using an app and it feels like it is taking forever to do what you want. Frustrating, right? Well, did you know that slow software can actually cost business $1 million whopping loss? That's true. It's a lot of money. But don't worry, today we are going to talk about how you can make your software work better even before it starts slowing down. Now, let me tell you a little story. So, you are in a rush trying to finish up your project on your computer, and suddenly your computer decides to take a nap. It's annoying, right? Definitely, it will mess up your plans. That's why we are going to learn about 5 things to follow if you want to address your software optimization needs even before it is needed. It's like having a secret toolkit to keep your digital life running smoothly. So, stick around and let's make sure that your software works well when you need it the most. First, invest in performance profiling and monitoring tools. Businesses need a software that not only meets their current performance requirement, but it also adapts to the growing demands of the enterprise. Investing in performance profiling and monitoring tools empowers the owners to gain crucial insights about their software's efficiency, and it helps to identify the potential bottlenecks in real time. Tools such as New Relic, Datadog, and many others provide valuable data on resource consumption, helping the businesses to take informed decisions about optimization priorities. By using these tools, businesses can ensure that their software remains responsive, reliable, and ultimately it enhances the user satisfaction and productivity. Second, prioritizing code review and static analysis for business impact. Code review directly influences the overall performance and maintainability of your software. Businesses should prioritize regular code reviews to ensure that the development team adheres to the best practices. This manual process, complemented by static analysis like SonarQube, ESLint, helps to identify and rectify potential performance issues early in the development cycle. For businesses, this means lowering the maintenance cost and reduce risk of system failures. It also helps to gain an efficient development process. By focusing on code quality, businesses contribute to creation of a robust software that gives a high performance and aligns with the business objectives. Third, understanding the business value of efficient algorithms and data structure. Choosing the right algorithm and data structure is not just a technical decision. It directly impacts the business bottom line. Businesses should encourage their development team to make informed decisions regarding the algorithmic efficiency based on a specific requirement of the software. By investing the time in understanding how efficient algorithm works and how data structure aligns with the business goals, businesses can ensure that their software operates at the peak performance. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of future scalability challenges and establishes a strong foundation for the sustainable growth of your software. 4. Ensuring database optimization aligns with business objectives. Database performance is a critical aspect of every software optimization. It directly influences the user experience and operational efficiency. Businesses should actively engage in discussions about database optimization, emphasizing the alignment of these efforts with the overall business objectives. Efficient database queries, proper indexing, and strategic denormalization contribute to a seamless user experience and improved operational efficiency. By staying involved in these discussions, businesses can ensure that their software database performance supports the business goal, whether it be enhancing the customer satisfaction or streamlining the internal processes of the company. Fifth, strategic scalability planning for business growth. Businesses must view software optimization through the lens of scalability. Proactive planning ensures that software can seamlessly accommodate your growing needs of the business. Cloud-based solutions such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure offer scalable infrastructure that aligns with your business growth. Encouraging the implementation of microservice architecture allows owners to scale specific components independently. By strategically planning for scalability, businesses can make a future-proof software, ensuring that it remains a valuable asset that can evolve alongside with the business. For businesses, proactive software optimization is not just a technical consideration, but it's a strategic investment in the success of your enterprise. By using performance profiling tools, prioritizing code reviews, understanding the business value of algorithms, optimizing database, and engaging in strategic scalability planning, business stakeholders can contribute to the creation of a high performance software that directly supports your business objectives. This proactive stance ensures that your software remains reliable and efficient assets during the sustained business growth, and thereby leads to success. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in my next video.